So question 1, n is between -2 and 3, n is an integer, write down the possible values of n. So the key things to look at here, first of all, is that n is an integer. So this means that we're looking at whole numbers only, so no decimals. And the second thing that we need to look at are the inequality signs here. So here there is no second line, so that means that n cannot be equal to the -2. Here there is a second line, so that means that n can be equal to the 3. So what I'd do is I'd start off with the -2, and I'm going to finish with the 3, and I'm going to write down all the whole numbers in between the two. Now I know that n cannot be equal to the -2, so I'm going to cross that out, but it can be equal to the 3, so I'm going to leave that there. So my possible values -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Part B. X is a number, another number is 9 greater than x. Both numbers are whole numbers, so again this is telling me no decimals. The total, so that means when I add them together, of the two numbers is less than 60, find the greatest possible value of x. So if I know that x is one number, and another number is 9 greater, so the other number is whatever x was and 9 more, the total of both of them, so adding them up, is less than 60. Now we're going to simplify what we've got. So I've got an x, add an x, which is going to give me 2 x's. And then I've got a plus 9 on the end. That's got to be less than 60. Now my 9 is going to go over to the other side, and it's going to become a minus because inequalities work the same way as equations. And I've got 2x is less than 51. Now I'm going to take my 2 over. It was 2 times x, so the opposite timesing is dividing. So x is going to be less than 51 over 2, and x is less than 25.5. Now, the issue is that we are told that both of them are whole numbers. So if x has got to be less than 25.5, the greatest possible value x can be is going to be 25.